Dear children, today we have to learn Standard 8, subject Social Science, chapter number 12. The name of the chapter is India Post Independence. Now, dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have already learned about all the at the world level special organization of the United Nations. But this is the chapter of regarding with the India's post-independence. Dear children, you know very well that India attained the independence on the 15th August 1947. Underlining, dear children, what happened there? Here they have given that India attained the independence on the 15th August 1947. So India attained the independence on the 15th August 1947, and because of that, every year we are celebrated as a 15th August as an Independence Day, and 26th January we all are celebrated as a Republic Day. Be careful, dear children. On the previous day, it means on the 15th August, the previous day, it means 14th August. On 14th August 1947, the Pakistan separated from India. What happened then, dear children? They have to be given that on the previous day, it means you have to see the 15th August, the previous day is the 14th August. So 14th August 1947, Pakistan separated from India. So here, dear children, in your map, in your textbook, they have to given there here what happened there on the 14th August 1947. The Pakistan is separated from the India. Thus, along with the happening of being a independence, people of India has to face a whole lot of problems too. What they are saying that, dear children, they are saying that because of independence, the people of India has to face whole lots of problems. Due to the partition, what they have to given, dear children, they have to given that due to the partition, approximately 80 lakh refugees came back to the India from Pakistan. What they are given there, dear children? They are given there approximately near about 80 lakh refugee people came back to the India from the Pakistan. So the rehabilitation of this refugee was a major challenge. What was the major challenge after the independence, dear children? The major challenge of after the independence of India, the approximately 80 lakh refugees came to the India from the Pakistan due to the partition of the India and Pakistan. So second challenge was integrated that 562 small and big princely states into the United India. Second major challenge for the India, that near about second challenge of integrated that 562 small as well as the big princely state into the United India. So dear children, we can say that after the independence, India has facing the two major challenges. One, approximately 80 lakh refugees came to the back to the India from Pakistan, and second one, that 562 small and big princely states into the United India. The third major challenge was build a stable political system to fulfill the expectation and hope of the people. What they are saying, that, dear children, they are saying that the third major challenge to build a stable as well as the political system to fulfill the expectation as well as the hope of the people and develop India into the strong nation. And what they are saying there, dear children, they are saying that we have to develop a strong nation. Now, why was India partitioned? What were the problems faced by our country after the partition, and how did this political change happen? This all questions answer where is given into this chapter. Now, first of all, dear children, they have to given the information about the resolution of the Muslim League. Which one, dear children? They have to given about the resolution of the Muslim League. Now, they have to given that the British had always followed the policy of the divide and rule. Dear children, you know very well that which kind of the policy was followed by the Britishers, then we can say that the Britishers had always followed the policy divide and rule. They propagate the belief among the people of India that the Hindu and Muslim had a different interest and culture. Now, what happened that dear children here? British propagated the belief among the people of the India that Hindu and the Muslim had a different interest and the culture, and because of that, this kind of the propagate. Many Muslim leaders were convinced that the Muslim will not be saved and socio-political and cultural interest of the Muslim League will not be taken care of the independent India. And because of the policy of divide and rule of the Britishers as well as they propagated of the belief among the people. Now what happened that many Muslim leaders were convinced that the Muslim will not be saved and the socio-political and cultural interest of the Muslim will not be taken care of in the independence India. And because of that, to safeguard the interest of the Muslim community and to ensure the development of both the community, it was necessary to create the separate country. And what happened then here? Now, the Muslim people believe that to safeguard the interest of the Muslim community, to ensure that the development of both the community, it was necessary to create and separate the other country. And the separate the other country, the name is Pakistan. In the Lahore session of the 1940, what happened then here children? Underlining Lahore session of the 1940, the Muslim League passed the resolution that Pakistan would be formed in area having the majority of the Muslim population. Now what happened then dear children? They have to given that in which session? In the Lahore session in 1940. Which year? In 1940. The Muslim League passed one resolution, and that resolution for the Pakistan and would be the form in the area having the majority of the Muslim population. And because of that, henceforth the demand for Pakistan became the main goal of the Muslim League. And because of that, what happened that dear children here? Now the main goal of the Muslim League for regarding with to demand for the Pakistan. So what happened then dear children here? We are learning that in India's post-independence that since the Pakistan was separated from India and India faced the important challenges. In these important challenges dear children, we learn the three important challenges. One, that approximately 80 lakh refugees came back to the India from the Pakistan. Second thing, at the time of the independence, there were the 562 big and small states in India, and India had to join them with Indian territory and create one nation with limited number of states rather than so many states. And third major challenges after the independence, that independence India had a great hope for stable political system that will fulfill the expectation as well as the hope of people wanted India to develop as a strong nation. After they have to given the resolution of Muslim League, in this dear children we have to learn that in the Lahore session of the 1940, which dear children, in Lahore session of the 1940 Muslim League, here the Muslim League passed one resolution, the Pakistan would be the form in the area having the majority of the Muslim population. And we know very well that the British has always followed the policy of the divide and rule. So dear children, today we have to learn about the India attained the independence on the 15th August 1940 1967, and because of that every year on 15th August we all are celebrated as a Independence Day. Thank you dear children.